Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a very quick and easy Idli Sambhar recipe which can be prepared at home, and it is very healthy as well. So let's have a quick look at the ingredients for both idli and sambar. First I've taken some mustard oil in a pan and I've added some salt to it so that the smell of the mustard oil doesn't remain. Now I'll put in some rye, let it crackle for some time. I've already roughly chopped the tomatoes. I'll add that to the pan along with the other masalas, the sambar masala, red chili powder, some salt, and mix it well. Keep the flame on low all this while. Now I have already boiled the bottle gourd and arhar dal with water. I have taken small bottle gourd and some 2 to 3 cups of arhar dal, and I have just chopped it and boiled it with water. Make sure you put in a little bit of more water than you usually put in to make your arhar dal, because in sambar we require a little bit more of water. So now I'll add this uniform mixture to the paste that I had prepared. We'll cook this mixture on high flame for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll put the flame on low and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes so that all the ingredients are mixed well and the flavors are enhanced. Meanwhile, you can add coriander powder as well and the rest of the masalas that I have listed in ingredients at this point of time. So it's been 25 minutes already and our sambar is almost prepared. Now we'll add some amchur powder. Make sure you put in the amchur powder at the very end of the recipe so that the tanginess is there when you serve the sambar. Mix it quite well so that there are no lumps formed. And take the mixture to a boil and then switch off the flame. Now for the idli, I had already soaked dal and some rice a night before, and you need to take 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of rice and soak it in water overnight. Well, I prefer soaking it for 16 to 18 hours so that the mixture is completely fermented. The rice quality is the dosa rice that I use here. It's not basmati rice. So you need to take 2:1 ratio, that is 2 parts of rice and 1 part of urad dal. I've drained off the water and used the soaked rice and dal here to make a paste, and very little bit of water so that there is a paste that is being prepared in the mixer grinder. I use this paste for both dosa and idli. So for idli, the paste need to be a bit runny. I'll take some paste out of it and mix some water to it. So this is the consistency that we need for idli batter. You can add salt as well to this, but I do not prefer using salt in idli, so I make it as is and put it in the mold by oiling the mold first. I've put the idli on a flame in a kadai with water, and I'll just cover it so that it can be made. Leave it for around 5 minutes and check in between by putting some toothpick, and once the toothpick comes out clean, your idli is ready to eat. So our toothpick has come clean and our idli is ready to be served. I'll take them out of the mold and serve it. And here it is, the yummy and awesome idli sambar recipe. You can use it and make it at your home. Do let me know how you like it in the comment section below. I would love to hear it from you. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the videos and want to see more content from my end. I would be really motivated to do that for you. See you next time with such interesting, quick and easy recipes and new content on my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, toodles!